Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I got another radio from Jeff's collection. Yep. This is a Soundesign model 1120-C. It's a very basic 5-transistor AM radio. They probably made thousands of these, maybe hundreds of thousands of these back in the days. This is an odd color. It's kind of a mustard, dark mustard, brown mustard, you'd call it, maybe. Earphone jack, tuning knob, on-off volume. Uses a 9-volt battery. Let's see how it does. Let's get it down at the bottom of the band, and then we'll turn it on. And we'll tune it. Try to get light a little better.
We're talking about soft tissue, and then we'll talk about some of the...
But again, I wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Very tinny.
Raise up. How we doing?
Much appreciated.
Little jumpy in the tuning.
That's above me.
Ooh.
Much older than you.
Yeah.
I don't even know how old. Then she had sex from Plant City that was a bodybuilder.
There we go.
Hungarian guy.
And then she had sex with some big football player at USF. Probably some ex-Buccaneer. Probably Paul Gruber.
Doing okay.
Yeah.
You got this off the the Facebook Marketplace. Don't remember how much he paid. That's about it. Pretty basic. Let me see if I can get this open. Oh, I had a screwdriver here and I moved it. Hold on. Let me get the screwdriver. Okay. Always disorganized. Let me turn it off. Off. Click. There we go. Just going to quickly show you the insides. And I want to quickly show you the insides if I ever get the cover off. There we go. Very generic 5-volt transistor, tiny little antenna, 9-volt battery source. Pretty cool. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios out of his collection. And I want to thank you for watching. And have a great day. Bye-bye.